Let's fire her up. You got it. Whoa, smooth! Perfect. There it is, forgotten by time. It looks terrible, but the shape is still strong. This car deserves a second life. We can restore it. Interior is damaged. Everything can be rebuilt. Engine condition unknown. We will inspect everything. We take it to VJ Garage. Let's begin the restoration. Careful. This is the beginning. Now the real work starts. Right, let's get to it. I'll grab the sander. Welcome to VJ Garage. Step 1, full inspection. Understood, checking the front. Look for leaks and wear. On it. This will be a full restoration. Rust is everywhere. Yeah, I see it. It's bad. Suspension needs replacement. How bad is it? It's worn. I'd replace it now. Okay, let's do it. Engine needs rebuild. How bad is it? What's the plan? Order parts. We'll start next week. This is a big project. Yes, but worth it. Removing parts begins. Step by step. Got it. The hood first? Yeah, let's check the rust. Interior completely out. Engine removal complete. Perfect. Moving to the suspension. Ready for rebuild. All right, let's do it. Cleaning begins. Right on it. Removing rust. Careful, don't damage the paint. Preparing surface. Body ready. Engine rebuild begins. Ready. Opening it up. Precision is important. Engine installed. Looks good. Everything secure. Preparing paint. Ready. All right. New life begins. Beautiful finish. Perfect. All good here. Ready for a test. Go ahead. Reassembly begins. Understood. All right, let's check the interior. Sounds good. Go ahead. Okay, starting it up. The idle's a bit rough, needs adjustment. Right, let's check the airflow. The MAF sensor might be dirty. Good call. Okay, the interior is clear. Good, check the front alignment. Rear suspension looks solid. On it. Check the timing on the cams. Got it, the tensioner's a bit loose. Right, tighten it to spec. On it. Looks good. Ready for the client? Yes, she's perfect, ready to go. Great, let's get her started. How's the timing chain tension? Almost there, just one more adjustment. I'll check the OBD readings. Good, sync it up. Think it's the fuel rail. Check the pressure regulator too. On it, grabbing the wrench. Looks flawless, doesn't it? It does. The paint came out perfectly. Should we check the headlights? Good idea. She's looking great. Yeah, the polish really made a difference. Let's check the engine bay. This one's seen better days, but we'll bring it back, just like the other one. This one here shows the real wear. Yeah, but the red one is coming along. Good progress. Keep it up. All right, doors open. What am I checking? The door panel. Check for rust around the edges. Right, I see it. This is going to be a great build. Yeah, the engine is in great shape. This one is looking good too. So, what do you think of the restoration? Incredible. The paint and bodywork are flawless. She drives even better. Check the timing on the cams. Got it. The idle's a bit rough. Right, let's check the sensors. See this swirl mark here? Yeah, I see it. Good catch. I'll buff it out. Looks good. How's it looking? The idle is still rough. Check the idle air control valve. On it. All right, let's get this door open. On it. Looks good inside? Good. Check the seats. How's the idle? Bit rough. Starting it now. Okay, I'm checking the timing. Sounds smoother. I think it's the fuel rail. Right. Check the connections. This one is loose. Tighten it. On it. Looks good. Ready for the road. Perfect. Let's get it checked out. So, what's the damage? Head gasket shot needs a rebuild. Parts are in. Let's start tomorrow. Agreed. All right, let's fire her up. Go ahead. Start it. On it. Sounds good. This one needs some love. The rust is bad. Yeah, but the frame looks solid. The red one is perfect. Let's check the engine. A real challenge, but worth every bit. Cleaned up real nice, didn't she? How's the red one coming along? Good. Just checking the belts? All right, let's open it up. That red one is a beauty. Yeah. Now this one here is the real project. Where do we even start? How's the engine looking? Good. Just needs a belt adjustment. Good. And the front alignment? Next on the list. Look at these beauties. The sedan has incredible torque. And the convertible is a dream. The lines are perfect. A perfect pair. Let's fire her up. You got it. Whoa, smooth! Perfect.